for sure. I mess with the head when I'm testing her. No, she ain't mental like who she is. She know I'm people with bitches, no, she even making a second decision. Bad bitch, green my scalp. My old bitch, one of my backs said no, I'm glad that she reached out. Maybe long time reach. I be doing magic, hit the top world, my TikTok's still no crease.
All's my life I has to fight, nigga. All's my life I hard times like yeah, bad trips like yeah. Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up, but if God got us, then we gon' be alright.
We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Nigga, hear me, nigga, feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, hear me, nigga, feel me? We gon' be alright.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. But I'ma stop me looking at you from the face down. I'll make a living, even boom with the bass down. Scheming, and let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. A pretty pussy and Benjamin is the highlight. I tell my mama I love her, but that's what I like. Lord knows. 20 of them in my Chevy, tell them all I come and give and reaping everything I sow. So my karma come in heaven, no preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster, silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Boys and girls, I think I'm going crazy. Trying to decide my face this all day. Won't you please believe when I say, when you know we've been hurt, been down before. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.